guys, so my name is Jenny T, and in another random video that literally nobody asked for, we are currently at the YouTube Creator Collective, which is super exciting and so surreal to say because I never thought in a million years I'd be here, and it wouldn't be possible without you. So thank you so much for watching. So upon entrance, they gave us this cutie badge. Also, to give a little bit of context on where I am, I'm currently at Platform 18, which is where YouTube is hosting the event. And I am super excited to be here because this is a very immersive experience because this bar was based, I think, in the 1920s. So I'm super excited to see the inside and take you along with me. So this is the interior of Platform 18, which we are currently on a train ride back in the 1920s, located in New York. Okay, so I'm finally back at home. It's been quite some time, but I want to jump on here and do a quick little debrief since I realized I didn't record much of the event because so much was going on. But I was able to meet a lot of creators local to my state, and it was honestly so rewarding and so exciting and really cool to be able to meet all the creators because I was able to really get to know a lot of people's backgrounds and diverse stories and their passions and why they started their YouTube channel, which honestly inspired me moving forward into my content and how I want to really move this channel forward. And not gonna lie, I was pretty shy to put myself out there and really get out of my comfort zone, especially in such a social environment, but it honestly was so rewarding. If anything, I feel like this is a sign for you to post your content and just do it because you never really know what doors will open and what opportunities will come about when you put yourself out there. Especially today with the rise of social media, and YouTube has always been my favorite platform to post on, but it is crazy to see how much it has grown, which is absolutely insane to think about because I remember back in 2013 there was only a handful of content creators that were really out there that you could name on your hand. But now, with the growth of social media and the power of social media, it has grown so much and evolved since. When I first started YouTube, it started as a passion project for my cute little animations that I did in high school. And eventually during the pandemic, it's evolved into a outlet where I did a lot of drawings and paintings and a lot of art related videos. And now it's also evolved into my own personal life where I post travel content and events that are local to Arizona. It's so crazy to see how much my channel has evolved and how much I've grown as a person throughout all this time. And as I continue to grow as a person and continue to step into my career and my academics and my future goals, I'm sure this channel is going to continue evolving as well. But that honestly makes me super excited to see what the future has in store moving forward. And if you know me in real life and or have also been watching my YouTube videos since the start of my cringiness, thank you so much for not only supporting me through your viewership, but also making opportunities like this possible and being a part of my journey. And I also want to thank YouTube and YouTube staff for inviting me and allowing me to be a part of this amazing event and opportunity, and I can't wait for ones in the future. With that being said, again, this wouldn't have been possible without you watching this video, so thank you so much for watching yet another video that literally nobody asked for, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!